Hey guys, in this tutorial we're creating a Harry Potter inspired unicorn cake. This is a 5-inch white cake I'm working on, as it's the top tier to an unrelated theme, but it would also work well on a 6-inch cake. If you'd like to see what was on the bottom tier, check out the Guess How Much I Love You tutorial. Okay, so you want to take a circle cutter for the glasses, oversize them a bit so you can fit the eyes inside. The size will depend on what size of cake you're working on. Rock the cutter over the surface to leave an imprint, and do another one, leaving a gap for the nose piece. Run a wet paintbrush around the mark. Roll out a thin string of black paste. You can either do it by hand like I did here with a smoother, or use an extruder. Go around the circle, sticking it down. Once it's on, tap it into position and then cut the join. Try and get the joins in the middle so that they can be joined by the bridge of the glasses. This is just a short string of paste added between in an arch shape. For the eyes, take a ball of paste and start rolling it into a tapered sausage, so it's pointy at both ends. Paint on water in an arch shape to help with the placement. Point one end down and hump the fattest part at the top, and then bend the remaining spiked end upwards into a flick. Do the same with the other eye. Now the most important part, the unicorn horn. A quick Google of unicorn cakes will show you a vast array of, well, shall we say, insanely dodgy looking horns. A lot of them are very long, thin and the same thickness all the way up. To create a nicer looking horn, you want it fatter at the base and then a point at the end. To do this, roll 2 sausages of paste with a point at the end and chop them down a little. Take a kebab stick and dampen it. Merge the 2 sausages side by side and then slowly start winding them around the stick. You can give it a roll across the worktop to help stick it down. Then you want to pull the stick down inside the horn so you can't see it, and then tease the top into a point with your fingers. With a scalpel, trim the bottom of the horn to the desired size. You can see it's fatter at the bottom and thinner at the top and looks a bit more like a horn. The ears are white triangles with deep red, smaller triangles inside. You can cut these by hand or with a triangle cutter. I have some shape cutters in my shop, which is always linked in the description box. With some white paste with Tylo added, roll some out and cut the lightning bolt shape with a scalpel. You can cut it freehand or trace it onto greaseproof paper first to use as a guide. Stick this above the left circle and paint it in gold along with the eyes and horn. Pink luster works well for blushing cheeks. This one is shimmer pink. Not that you can tell from the state of this label, but I'll leave it linked below. Dry brush this on at either side of the glasses. Once the horn is dried, insert it down into the top of the cake, near to the front. Help ease it in with pliers and then give it a push. Then add the ears either side with a little water. Mine were still pliable, so I curved them as I stuck them down. Dampen the front with water for adding hair. The hair is yellow and ruby red Renshaw's colour, just rolled into tapered sausages. Curl the hair on however you like. I hung one down near the glasses so she looks bashfully cool and sassy. Of course these are the Gryffindor colours, but you can change it to suit your house colours. Just continue to add hair until you're happy with the unicorn's mane. And that's it, we're done. Hopefully you'll agree that a pointed horn is a nicer horn. If you'd like to create a wand or other Harry Potter bits to go with it, I'll link a tutorial in the iCard. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a like and I'll see you next week. Bye guys.